got Riu. Hi, guys. Oh, the food looks beautiful. Chicken nuggets, cheese, hot dogs. Those ribs are delicious. Mozzarella cheese sticks and french fries. Here's your salsa. Tons of guacamole, pickles, pico, and all your sides for your hamburger and hot dog. This is a Riu in the morning. They offer water aerobics. How fun, right? They have activities like Zumba, different stuff all week long. Chocolate martini. That's good for a morning cocktail, right?
Sure.
How is it?
Adult chocolate milk.
Phone party. Yeah, the people at Riu know how to dance. These are all the employees, you guys. So much fun. We're here in beautiful Cabo San Lucas. Wow, Saturday. This is what it's like outside. Now look what they do for us. Alright, let's go in and I'll show you. So this room is like, I don't know, 60 degrees, it's nice and cold. Pinball, a little bit of foosball, full bar, games, basketball. Hi, babe.
Hi. Hi guys. So
we're videoing. I'm like, peace. So because this is a hurricane, right? The cyclone. Only restaurants are open in Sofia, which is an Italian restaurant.
2 hour
and
wait.
a buffet at the promenade.
2 hour wait. So
Right. They're trying to make it fun for everybody. So in the rec room, they have what do they have?
foosball, ping pong. There's
The throw ball
the
game,
big bag
big
thing.
Jenga. But yeah, they're going to do casino night. You can't win any money, but that might be fun, right?
Yeah, spent a couple hours.
Oh my gosh, my
Yeah, got
I spent this time doing my hair.
Kathy Wynn did her hair.
Oh my god, have you ever been on a roller coaster and your hair's like perfect, all of a sudden you get out, it's like, ah! That's how my hair's doing.
So pretty crazy out here. Pretty pretty much only got a couple more hours before the typhoon comes in.
No, it's already in. It's getting ready to pass.
Yeah, it's,
In fact, Orange County's going to get some rain. I think they said Friday, Saturday. So it's where we're having out, where they're getting.
eventually.
So
We'll see you guys later.
As soon as we get in, we'll show you the food.
We'll see some food.
And if we're a little buzzed, it's because we had to wait 2 hours.
2 hours wait, couple drinks.
Ah, fun.
You can always have fun in Cabo.
That's right. What stays in Cabo, or what happens in Cabo stays in Cabo.
Yeah, they say that.
That's what it said the front
It
desk.
depends on if you post.
Oh, it's pretty funny. But anyways, we'll see you in a sec. Hi guys, we're here partying. It's so much fun. It's casino night.